Hello guys, this is a simple demonstration today that how you can run Unreal Engine on a Linux operating system, specifically Fedora 64-bit operating system. As you can see over here, I'm running it inside a VMware Workstation 16 player, which is totally free. You can get it from the VMware website, and I have a very default uh, installation of the Fedora 64. As you yeah, I didn't install anything extra or before trying to install Unreal Engine, so whatever comes with the full disk, standard workstation disk, you can do it upon that. As you can see over here, I have let's see I have the third person basic template. uh, Wait, let me show this. I have the third person template loaded over here, and as you can probably guess from the video itself, it's very slow, it's very lagging at the moment. um, I think it's because I'm running it inside a virtualization and it's not using the full resources of my system, and my system is very average at best. So, and this is just a demo, so probably when you will install this on Linux natively, not inside a virtualization, but when you install Linux on your hardware directly, like you install Windows, then you can get the same level of performance that you get on Windows. So let me tell you a little bit about how to install this. You can go to this page on the Unreal Engine website. It's over here, and it's a pretty straightforward procedure. You need Epic Games account, obviously, and a GitHub account, and then you have to connect them both, and then you will be invited to the GitHub, something which is not written over here. I mean that clearly, that you will be automatically invited to the Unreal Engine sorry, Epic Games group on the GitHub. Only there you can see the Unreal Engine source code, and you can just get the default branch, which is the release branch. So you'll get the latest one, which is the stable version. Right now I downloaded it, the 4.261, which is the latest one, and you can either manually download it or download it using the terminal itself. I use the terminal method uh, via the SSH method, which I would recommend you over the HTTPS method. And after that, it's a pretty straightforward process. You can skip nearly all of these steps, and you can just start from over here. And as you can see, this is very simple, very simple, straightforward. um, just one very important, this is very critically important, that you need to have at least 100 gigabytes of disk space. And I would, after personal experience of installing it, recommend at least 150 GB of disk space, because this is just what the engine itself is taking up once it's fully installed. And you still need space for your operating system, you need space for new projects or whatever you need. So at least I would recommend at least 150. Try to make it 200 GB. um, and as you can see, the steps are very simple. You just need to run these two scripts first. They are inside this Unreal Engine folder. Once you downloaded it, the download for just the downloading part, you just need 16 GB of download, and the rest of the space is uh, taken by um, uh, the rest of the space is taken by the compiled code. And even running it using the default graphical user interface is pretty simple. You just need this single command, and you would be up and running like normally in Windows. Either yes, it's already written over here. If you follow this tutorial, it should be pretty straightforward. That the first time you will open it, it will take time compiling shaders. It took me like 5,000 shaders when I installed it, and the whole process should take about 4 to 5 hours from installing Fedora itself to installing and compiling all of this. Uh, the compiling part took about 3 hours on a 4 core processor and 8 GB of RAM. And yeah, that's about it. Let me know if you have any further questions. I would be happy to answer them in the comments. Thank you.